Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a margarita. To begin, you will need 3 core ingredients: tequila, fresh lime juice, and an orange liqueur. For the best results, always opt for a high-quality Blanco tequila, as it forms the foundation of your drink. Freshly squeezed lime juice is absolutely essential for that bright, zesty flavor. Finally, a good orange liqueur such as Cointreau will add the perfect touch of sweetness and depth to your cocktail. Now let's talk about the perfect balance. The classic margarita ratio is simple: 2 parts tequila, 1 part fresh lime juice, and 1 part orange liqueur. For a standard single serving, this means using 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of lime juice, and 1 ounce of orange liqueur. Feel free to adjust the sweetness slightly by adding a small amount of agave nectar if you prefer a sweeter drink. This ratio ensures a harmonious blend of tart, sweet, and strong. Once your ingredients are measured, it is time to shake things up. Combine your tequila, lime juice, and orange liqueur in a cocktail shaker filled generously with ice. Shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds until the shaker is thoroughly chilled and frosty on the outside. Next, strain the perfectly chilled mixture into your prepared glass, which can be rimmed with salt. Finish with a fresh lime wedge or wheel for an elegant touch. To truly elevate your margarita, remember these bartender's tips. First, always prioritize fresh, high-quality ingredients. They make a significant difference. Chilling your serving glasses in advance will help keep your drink colder for longer, enhancing the refreshing experience. Do not be afraid to experiment with different types of tequila to discover your personal preference. Finally, consider adding a flavored salt rim, like chili lime, for an exciting and unique twist on the classic.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.